Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing the Look Fantastic October Beauty Box. Now before I get started with the unboxing, if you are brand new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below. Click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you like and enjoy this unboxing, then give it the big thumbs up. This is what this month's box looks like. It's a dark red colour and I'm matching with my top today. We get the magazine again this month, which tells all about the products inside this month's box, and also for the sneak peek for the November box, it's like a pick between these two products right here. So you either get this one here, which is an Avent collagen primer, or this, which is the Colour Wow Dream Coat, which is a really lovely hair product. I have this already and it's really nice. If you're interested in this beauty box and signing up for a subscription, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you, along with some codes that will get you some money off. And there's a bunch of limited edition boxes available on their website as well right now, along with the advent calendar, which is up for pre-order, so I'll also link them in the description box for you, and there's a couple of codes I have as well for them as too. I'm going to start off with the thing that I'm most excited about from this month's box, and I mentioned last month from the sneak peek I wish I would get this product in the next month's box, and I did get it, which I'm so happy about. So is this from Rituals. This is like a little kind of home room spray type of product, and it's in this really cute little bottle. I love this little spray. It's a little bit different than just like you'll know the ordinary kind of spray bottles you get, so it's just a little bit cuter. And this is in the scent Rice, Milk and Cherry Blossom, which is the same scent as their body milk and some of their body butters. I've sprayed this already in my room. I couldn't wait to spray it, but I'm actually going to spray a little bit more because I just love the scent of this. Now it says it's a home perfume, so you could probably just spray that on your body as well, because it's the same scents as their milk and their body butters and things like that I mentioned. So yeah, you can just spray this all over your body if you really enjoy that scent on you. I'm really happy for this because the other option that you may get in your box is the Rituals Sakara scented candle, which again is, I believe, the same scent as this, which is the Rice, Milk and Cherry Blossom. So that's what you may get right there. It's that candle. I do have a couple of ritual candles, which is nice, so I was happy to try this little kind of room spray instead. So yeah, so far so good. I really like this and I'm happy about it. Now this is a 50 ml, which is worth £5. Now the next thing we get in this month's beauty box, I'm also really happy about, because this is something that I was actually needing. I'm so happy to get this. A lot of you guys may love this as well, especially if you're into makeup and you know you get makeup brushes to apply it, then this guy is going to come in really handy. This is the ISO Clean Makeup Brush Cleanser. So I always love to use a little brush cleanser, like a spray bottle one like this, to spray my eye brushes. So I just spot clean my eye brushes every time I go to use them. I always need a nice clean brush. I also do it with like my concealer brush, and I spritz a little bit usually on my foundation brush just to take the surface you know, the surface bacteria kind of like off the bristles before I apply obviously a new layer of makeup. This I'm so happy for. It's something that I did need, so I'm glad for this. Usually I use the B Makeup brush cleanser spray, so this I'm happy to try. I haven't tried this before, so this is something different as well for the beauty box. I've never seen this. Out of all the years I've done these boxes, I haven't seen this product in their box, so I'm very happy about that. We've got a couple of different things in this box, like, you know, this brush spray and this home perfume. Like, I'm liking a little switch up this month of products. Now you'll either receive one of two products from the ISO or ISO clean brand. You either get the brush cleaner, which is this one, or you'll get a makeup sponge cleaner, which is this one right here. Now I mostly use brushes for doing my makeup, so I'm really happy to have this one. And this is 110 ml, which is worth £8. Next thing we get inside this month's box is this from We Are Paradox. So we've seen this brand a couple of times in the beauty boxes between Look Fantastic and also Glossy Box, I believe. This is, yeah, a moisture conditioner, and it's got argan oil in it for supreme hydration. This sounds really nice. Like, I do love hydrating products for like hair and also my skin. Now the info in this says that the argan oil works alongside a blend of minerals and vitamin B, C and E to nourish and condition your lens. They unite their fortifying properties to support a glossy, healthy look. There's also jojoba oil in it, which mirrors your hair's natural oils, helping to moisturize without a greasy feel. Carrageenan moss enhances shine and smooth strands for locks that appear soft and silky. Yeah, so this sounds really good. I'm really excited to give this a try. This is a smaller size, which is a 50 ml, and this is worth £10.50. The full size is worth £20. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go. Next thing we get inside, I'm really excited to try out. This is from a brand that's from one of my favourite countries, which is Greece, and it is their Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. So I'm so excited to try this out. I just love the sound of it so far, like night brightening. So I'm going to check the info on it and see exactly what it does for our skin. So it says, it deeply nourishes the skin as we sleep. The rich creamy formula glides across your face, encouraging a soft, supple texture without the risk of being too heavy or leaving a greasy residue. The innovative night cream features luxurious rose oil, which helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles overnight. Powerful vitamin C and hyaluronic acid work to create the illusion of firmer, plumper skin with the look of dark circles and discoloration visibly reduced. The opulently thick cream with its souffle-like texture locks in the moisture and reduces dryness, leaving a brighter, more luminous complexion. Yes, so I am so excited to give this a go. Like, I haven't tried this product from Korres. I have a couple of their products which I really enjoy. This I haven't tried, so I'm very excited about this. It's a 20 ml and they're saying that this is worth £14.50, so obviously it's quite a expensive moisturiser. I seen there when I was checking it up, it is £39 for the full size. The next thing inside the box are these Magnatone wipe out swipes. So these are makeup removing pads, and I'm going to be honest, I don't really use these. I've had a couple in the past, as you guys know, from a couple other beauty boxes in the past, but I haven't really gotten around to using these. I just prefer doing what I normally do with my, you know, my cleansers and my face cloth, but these I don't really use. However, they feel really soft, and I like the fact that they're eco-friendly, and you can reuse them. You just put them in the wash machine and things like that. So I may give these a go tonight. Actually, I think these will come in really handy to like remove eye makeup, maybe not my face makeup as much, but definitely to remove like the first like layer or the first cleansing process of removing my eye stuff. So yeah, these might come in handy for that. I should definitely give these a go on my eyes, so that's what I might do today. They feel like incredibly soft. They're microfiber, so they feel so soft, so they'll be very gentle on the skin. The booklet does show like bamboo wipes instead, which are bamboo swipes, sorry. It shows you these in the booklet, whereas I got these ones here which I've had before. So yeah, just bear that in mind. You may get these bamboo ones or you might get these. Okay, the next thing we get inside is this from Lavia or Luvia. I've never really heard of this brand much. It's obviously, you know, a makeup brand. It's a highlighter from the brand, and this is in a slightly goldeny shade. Yeah, let me just take this out of here. This is like a MAC product where it's like this individual pan which has like this metallic back on it, where you can kind of like put it into like a empty palette. So like I have like a Z palette where I could put like little individual products, individual shadows and things like that into that. Maybe not the greatest product to get if you don't really have like an empty Z palette or empty kind of makeup palette, then this is going to be a little bit tricky to keep good without getting like all smashed up and that, because the packaging, you know, you can't really put that in there every time. But anyway, it says it's a highlight, but you could probably use this as an eyeshadow because it's a bit of a kind of goldeny shade. I'm going to swatch it to see. Now it's very creamy, it feels very buttery, and yeah, that is very pigmented. Or can you even see that actually? Yeah, just get the lights to hit off it. Now it does say that it's a high performance pigment, and yeah, it was very buttery there when I just put my finger in it. Like, it feels beautiful. It is quite golden, so I think it will be better for people who are maybe more medium to deeper skin tones. However, I can make this work probably on my skin, especially when I've got a bit of tan on. I can also use it down like the centre of my face, like my nose, inner corners, and also use it on my lids. I'm just going to probably use this more as an eyeshadow because it feels really buttery soft. And you guys know me, I don't really use a lot of highlight on my cheekbones or anything. I usually just use it down the centre of my face. So I will have to see how this will go down the centre. I do have quite a bit of highlight on just now, so I don't really want to apply this on top, but definitely will be quite nice for on the eyelids, I think. And it is worth £5.50. Okay, now that's everything inside this month's beauty box. So my favourite products, as you can tell, are the two products that I started off with, the Rituals home spray perfume thing and also the makeup brush cleaner. These are going to come in really handy for me, but of course I'm also really looking forward to trying that Kors over sleeping facial thing. This sounds really lovely, so I'm excited about that. And also this moisture conditioner as well from Paradox, or BR Paradox. So yeah, there's actually quite a good bunch of products in this month's box, so I'm actually really happy about it. I'd love to know your favourite products down below in the comment section. And of course, if you're interested in picking the box up, signing up for a subscription and all that, then I will leave the info and also the codes and the link down below in the description box for you. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really liked and enjoyed this unboxing, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.